Hi, I'm Kevin, and on behalf of expertvillage.com, I'm going to show you the importance of cleaning this wooden tool off. If there's clay on here, what happens is, as you come down here and you start taking that clay off the pot, see, if I don't keep cleaning that tool off, all it does is keep going round and round and round. Sometimes it sticks to your pot, sometimes it doesn't. But so when you get clay on your tool, any tool for that matter, clean it off, set it aside. So when you start with a nice clean tool, so that as you take your tool, touch your piece. Remember, this is still kind of sticky. Your clay trimmings doesn't transfer from your tool back onto your pot. You're trying to get it off of your pot. So you're going to come down in here again, clean some more of that off. So you got it all down there. You got to clean this off. Sometimes it doesn't want it. Sometimes you just get little pieces of clay. Clean it off. It's got a lot of time. So you have a nice, smooth out bottom down there. That's it.